Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and do a quick look with my Rosa palette. I know this was limited edition. I'm sorry. I'm a sucker for limited edition, but we're going to get to it. I'm already moisturized, and I'm going to start with my Touch Glorious Primer from Younique. Apply that all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with an eye primer, my NYX shadow base. And I'm going to take a plain brush like that. Then I'm taking a fluffy brush and my Lorac Mega Pro 3. I'm just going to go with the shade Karrueche, which is this one right here. Then I'm taking a crease brush and I'm going to go with this pink right here. It's called Duchess. I'm going to apply that to the crease. Then I'm going to take a smaller crease brush, this one. I'm going to go with that red one. It's called Damsel, that one right there. Apply that in the outer V. I'm going to go with the color after that. It's called Missy, and it's just that matte purple. And I'm going to apply that over that red that I just used. Then I'm going to go through, and I'm actually just going to use my ring finger, and I'm going to take this top light pink right there. That one's called Dainty, and I'm going to apply that with my ring finger all over the lid. Set that aside. Then I'm going to go in with my Benefit Boi-ing concealer. And a brush, and I'm just going to focus that on the darkest parts. Then I'm taking the Tarte Rainforest with the C concealer in Fair Light. Then I'm taking my BB cream, BB Flawless, in the shade Cream. I'm going in my Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow. And I'm going to go with the shade, I think it's called Shade actually, but it's just the cream color for the contour. And a brush like this. Beachfront bronzer. For blush, we're going to use my iSOCiETY blush in Ladybug. I really love this color. I'm getting a little bit of this goes a long way. For highlight, I'm going to go back to that Tarteist Pro palette. I'm going to use the shade Strobe up here. Fan brush like that. Going to set everything with my Chill spray. For liner, I think I'm going to go with a wing, and I'm going to do my Sex Kitten liner from Tarte. Whoops, dropping things over here. Oh, first, before that, we're going to do brows. I forgot about brows. So I'm going to go back to my Lorac Mega Pro 3 to the shade Hickory. It's just kind of like a medium brown right there. I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm going to brush them through. And then I'm going to go with my Essence Make Me Brow gel. And I'm going to comb a little bit of that on my brows. Then I'm taking an angled brush like this, and I'm going to go back to my Mega Pro 3, and I'm going to use that color again as the brow bone highlight. Done with that. Now I'm going to go with the liner, so Sex Kitten from Tarte. If I could open my mirror. Whoops. For mascara, I'm out of Epic, but I had this one that I had to get rid of, so I'm using the Tarte Gifted mascara. It's really similar to the Epic, but it's not quite as dramatic. I do prefer the Epic just because it makes my lashes look a little more ba-ba boom, but this one works just fine. Finally, for the lips, we are going to go with a MAC lipstick, Rebel. I love this lipstick, it is so good. It's like a purple. And I'm just going to apply that straight from the bullet. And there you have it, guys. There's my look. And you can rock it all February long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.